Okay, week 3. In this video I'm hoping to show you how to make selections, use layers, and hide and show different parts of your mesh. So starting off with the cube, tab it into edit mode and subdivide it up a bit to give ourselves some topology to play with. Right, at the moment everything's selected, so A to unselect everything, which I'm certain you know already. Now we can, on the vertex tool, select and shift select points along it that way, which we've already done. Now we've also got the option of using B, which is box select. By clicking B and then dragging out, you select an area that way. There's also circle select, which is access with C. Now that circle you can draw over areas of the mesh and quickly pick up an area you want to sculpt that way. Now to get out of circle select, you have to hit escape to get you back so you can move the camera. So C for circle select, escape to get out of it. Now hiding and showing areas of the mesh. With that selection visible, I think if we hit H, that thing disappears. You've not deleted it, you've just hidden it. If you press Alt H, it will reappear. So that's H for hide, Alt H to bring it back. Right, now let's stick us back into object mode and duplicate the cube. So that's Shift D, return, and drag it across. Now we've got 2 cubes. Now these are still all in the kind of workspace. Looking down here, we've got layers dialog. Layers, to people who haven't used a program like Photoshop before, is how we separate items in a scene, so we can work on them separately or together. I always explain layers for Photoshop as being, if you can imagine having a stack of glass, like clear glass, like window panes, each with a different painting on it. If you paint, I don't know, let's say a football and a tree. If you have a football on one piece of glass and a tree on the other, if the layer with the tree on it is in front or above the one with the ball will appear behind the tree, and if you swap them round, the ball will appear in front of the tree, if that makes any kind of sense at all. To move a thing to a layer, you select the item, hit M for move, and the move layer dialog will appear, and I click the second layer there, and again it appears to have vanished. But if you look down at the bottom, we've got 2 layers. If we shift select both of them, we can now see both layers. Or we can select just that layer, or just that layer, or shift select them both. And that's layers. Something to watch out with later down the line, if we come to do renders where we need a camera and lights, everything which is the camera and the lights need to be on the same layer as the thing you're rendering, otherwise nothing will show up. So, recapping, we've got the different select modes, which are B for box, C for circle, drawing select, hit escape, H for hide, Alt H to bring it back, deselect that into object mode, and then M to move to a different layer, and then click the layer you want the thing to be on. Select both of them for them both to appear. That's probably got it covered. Thank you.